What a year it was in terms of companies making their stock market debut on the exchanges. Some 57 Indian companies raised around rupees 49,000 crore through main board IPOs in 2023. While most of the action was seen in the second half of the year as 36 IPOs came on board from September till December. Talking about some of these top IPOs during the year, we had Mankind Pharma in terms of issue size, which raised over rupees 4,000 crore, launched in the first half of the year. We had Tata Technologies, which was the much awaited and the much talked about IPO, as it was from the Tata Group after a decade, raising around rupees 3,000 crore. We had JSW Infra as well, coming from the JSW Group, raising around rupees 3,000 crore. IREDA, a government-based firm, government selling stake, that raised around rupees 2,000 crore. Some other IPOs that kind of made the headlines were Cello World, which raised around rupees 1,900 crore. Now its competitors Flair Writing as well as Domino's Industries were also the ones which floated their IPOs this year. However, in terms of issue size, Cello World raised the highest. We had Honasa, which was Mamaearth's parent company, the new age startup, which raised around rupees 1,700 crore. And we also had Inox India and Sami Hotels, which raised about rupees 1,500 and 1,400 crore. Now, talking about how these companies have been doing as far as their market price is concerned, many of these firms are actually trading above their issue prices. For example, Tata Technologies is up about 40% from its listing last month, and then IREDA, which hit back-to-back upper circuit after it got listed, is up about 70% since its listing. Talking about the most subscribed IPOs during the year, the names differ from how it was compared to the top list that we saw right now. We had Murthy Sons Jewellers, which was launched last week, subscribed over 170 times, and the IPO got listed this week. We had Plaza Wires, which was opened during the first half of the year, subscribed over 160x time. We had Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, for that matter, and we also had Idea Forge Technology and Domino's Industries getting over 100 times subscription, given the kind of demand and interest that we saw from retail investors as well as non-institutional investors. Then we had Aeroflix Industries as well, which was about 97x, and Happy Forgings and Senco Gold also making the list of top subscribed IPOs during the year. 27 firms have already obtained the green light from the market regulator to float their public issues to raise around rupees 29,000 crore. Another 29 companies are awaiting the regulatory approval from SEBI, involving a cumulative fundraise of about rupees 34,000 crore. So there's a lot to watch in the space during the next year as well.